What's up, Jessica Eye Squad? Thanks for watching. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe. We have a lot of videos. So we do collect those little mini brands, and this is the little collector's guide that comes inside of the little surprise ball. And I had an idea. Usually we just throw it away, but now I have an idea, since my nails are looking very bad, that I can cut out these little mini brand pictures, and then I can just put them right on my nail. And this could be a good idea, so you have something to do with your little collector's guide. So I'm going to cut out 10 little pictures here, the ones that I think will fit on my nail. Some of them will probably need adjustments later, where I trim them down just a little bit, but these look like a good fit for my nail. I'm trying to pick the little round ones and more of the skinny ones rather than the big rectangle size one, because my nails are short. So now I have 10 of the little mini brand foods cut out. I'm going to take a little bowl of water so I can put them inside of a bowl of water and get them a little soggy, because if they're too stiff, when you try to put them on your nail with the nail polish, the corners will just lift up, and then doing your nails won't last too long because they're just going to peel off. So you want them to be very soft and flexible, the paper, so easily bend to the curve of your nail. So I'm putting on some clear nail polish, and I have a little napkin here so I can dab off the excess water. And the first one I have is the bubble yum, and I'm going to do this with all of my nails. This is the easy part. So you just put on the clear nail polish, take one of the little mini brands out of the water and dry it off on the napkin, and place it on top of the wet nail polish. And you can even take like a little paintbrush or toothpick to adjust it or press down any corners if anything is lifting up, because it's really important that it's flat. So the longest part about this is just cutting out the mini brands. This is going pretty fast. I'm already on my pinky nail. I'm putting on the black pepper, and then you want to put another coat of your clear nail polish over it. This will kind of seal in the paper onto your nail. It's like a little sandwich. You'll have clear nail polish on the bottom, the picture in the middle, and another clear nail polish on top. This one is called Chew Crew. I actually never seen this candy before. That's how the first hand is looking. Time to work on the second hand. For this one, the print is very tiny, so I'm not sure exactly what candy this one is. I think it looks a little bit like Smarties, but I couldn't really read the label. And this one I'm putting the Hershey's Cookies and Creams bar. I'm sealing it in with the clear nail polish, and time to finish up the rest of the nails. If you like mini brands, on our channel we have a couple videos already of opening up mini brands, the foods and the toys. We have some where we open up the toys, and out of the little tiny packages we take them all the way out, and we have some where we cut them open, and we even have, instead of a guess the color challenge, we put some inside of a chocolate ball, and then you have to guess the mini brand before it comes out and we break it. We hope you're liking this video so far, and this fun idea of how to do your nails with the mini brands collector label. And on this little pinky nail, I'm cutting the little Mentos bottle a little bit from the bottom. This way we still have the nice little shape of the bottle, and that will be my final mini brand on my pinky nail. So just to make the nails look even cuter, I'm going to take two different colors, and I'm just going to put little dots around the empty spots around the mini brand. This way the nail will look full of color and not just the mini brand is on there. It will still look good if you just put the mini brand, but I think this will make the nails look even more nice. And I even have a couple diamonds to put on after. If you only have pointy toothpicks, a good tip is to take a nail clipper and just clip the point off, and then you'll have a flat end so that you can have a little stamper for the colorful dots. You could also paint your nails before putting the mini brands any color you want, and then put the mini brands right on top. And now I'm going to put another layer of the clear nail polish over this. I really like how this is coming out. It looks really beautiful, and I like how the mini brand, the label is really pressed flat against my nail and the corners are not lifted up, so I know this will last a couple days. And to finish this off, I do have a few diamonds here. I'm just going to put maybe a couple nails with them on there, just one each, and I put another layer of clear over everything again. And that's how they came out. I really hope you like this video, and please subscribe to our channel.